When it comes to business, it's important to always have a good grasp on how well you're doing. At Wolseley, we get a clear picture of our company's health through the profit and loss statement, otherwise known as a P&L. The P&L includes both revenue and expenses and shows the financial performance of our company over a given period of time. At Wolseley, the finance team reviews the P&L on an ongoing basis and reports the financial results to our branches each month. On a P&L report, you will find the following categories. Revenue is the amount of sales made to our customers for the current month. Cost of sales is the cost associated with providing our customers the product we sold to them in the month, while gross profit shows us the profit that remains after our selling costs are subtracted. Gross margin represents how profitable our sales are. Labor costs are costs associated with paying our employees, including benefits and incentives. Operating costs are the expenses associated with running our business, including rent, packing supplies, and marketing costs. Trading profit is the profit we retain at the end of the day after paying our people and suppliers. And trading margin is the percentage of sales that make it all the way to the bottom line. So how can you positively manage your P&L? Let's take a look at how Kim does it. Kim is a branch manager at Wolseley. She knows how important it is to keep a close eye on the profit and loss and is always looking for ways to improve it. On the revenue front, Kim is always looking for ways to increase sales to our customers, including upselling and charging for freight whenever possible. With cost of sales, Kim ensures she's properly receiving product and does not have any non-productive inventory at her branch. She increases her overall gross profit and gross margin by selling more of our own brand product, obsolete products, and those with higher all-in margins. Oh, and she never overrides pricing. Kim manages labor costs effectively by controlling headcount, closely monitoring overtime and temporary labor spends. And she reviews operating costs regularly, looking for ways to reduce costs wherever possible. She keeps a close eye on supplier invoices and reviews her freight reports monthly to ensure charges are accurate. By executing on all of the above, you'll have a positive impact on our trading profit and trading margin and help us reach our goals as a company.